Stainless steel, one material, different opinions. Stainless steel, you can see is every wall, but what does this really mean? Turns out it depends on who you ask. Get ready for the mind-blowing look at how one material looks totally different through the eyes of the sun perfection. In this video, we are exploring how different jobs and different people see the stainless steel. It's not just about what it's made of, it's about what they need to do. We are hearing from the quality checkers, project leaders, shop delivery drivers, engineers, manufacturers, business turtles, marketers, lawyers, many aspects, art predators, even the people who make sure everyone is safe and his right skills. And understanding these different views helps us work better together, solve problems faster, see the world in a whole new world, ready to jam again. To the quality checker, stainless steel is about what making sure it's perfect. Does this meet the rules? Is it strong enough? Or less, they're like the police for the stainless steel, making sure nothing bad happens. Rules, strong, safe, reliable. Imagine a bridge made of the stainless steel. The quality checker makes sure the steel is strong enough so the bridge doesn't fall down. Project leader. The project leader worry about the time and money. Can we get the stainless steel on time? Is this causing too much? They are like the conductor or orchestra. Make sure everything's placed together smoothly. Time, money, schedule, teamwork. Build a new skill. The project leader makes sure the stainless steel arrive on time so the screws open when it's supposed to. The shopper. The shopper find the best deals on the stainless steel. They compare the price, find good suppliers, trying to save the company money. They are like the bargain hunters for the big business. Price deals suppliers save money. A company needs a lot of stainless steel. Shopper find the cheapest price without sacrificing quality. What is the best deal you ever found? Share it in the comment. And delivery driver. The delivery makes sure the stainless steel get where it needs to be on time in a good condition. They are like the mail carriers of the steel world. Delivery, on time, safe, transport. Getting the stainless steel from the factory in China to the construction site in America, the delivery driver make it happen. The engineer design thing using the stainless steel. They need to know how strong is it, how hard it can get, and how it will work in a different situation. They are like the architects of the steel world. Design strong heat machines or designing a rocket that uses the stainless steel. The engineer makes sure it can withstand the heat and pressure of the space. The nomenclature mathematician. The nomenclature use math to make the stainless steel process better. They look at data, find patterns, and try to make the thing more efficient. They are like the detective backed with the numbers, math, data, pattern, and efficient, figuring out the best way to weld stainless steel using math to find the perfect setting. Did you know math could be so interesting? Subscribe for more surprising facts. Now, the business started to see stainless steel as a way to create something new and make money. They come with the ideas for a new product, building a business around them. They are like the inventor with business plans, new idea, business, many products, or studying a company that make cool stainless steel water bottle. The marketer. The marketer tells people why they should sell stainless steel product. They make them look cool, strong, and reliable. They are like the storyteller of the steel world. Advertising cool, strong brand, making a commercial that show how tough and long-lasting stainless steel appliances are. The lawyer. The lawyer makes sure everything is legal and safe. When it comes to the stainless steel, they check contract and make sure everyone follows the rules. Feel like the rule keepers of the steel world. Checking the contract for the stainless steel used in the medical equipment to make sure it's safe for the patients. The money aspect. The money aspect looks at how stainless steel affect the economy. Money. They check the price of the steel, the cost of making things, and how much profit the company is making. They are like this scorekeepers of the steel world, managing price, profits, and costs, figuring out if the company should invest in more stainless steel based on the market trends. The art protector. The art protector make sure stainless steel is good for the environment. They try to recycle as much as possible and find ways to make a steel making the process cleaner. They are like the environmental guardians of the steel world, recycling environment clean and sustainable. Find a way to recycle all stainless steel so it doesn't end up in a landfill. HR manager. For the HR manager, stainless steel often represent the health and safety of their workers and the laborers and skill needed processing. It's important for the HR manager to make sure the worker working with the stainless steel are well equipped and trained. A company need to train their workers so that no one get hurt working with the stainless steel and make sure that everyone that work with the company has the right skill. Wow, when you stainless steel could be so many things. From the keeping the bridge strong to the protecting the environment, it plays a vital role in our world. Every job is important. Every person see things a little different. When we understand those differences, we can work together to make amazing things happen. If you learned something new today, give this video 10 laps and tell us in the comments which of these jobs sound the most interesting to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.